Hello, this is a quick look at the 16-piece food storage container sets. Once you unpack it all, you'll see just how much stuff you get. They've packed a lot in to this set. The 16 pieces is made up of 4 different containers, 3 of each. 2 sets are rectangular, 2 sets are square, and there's 1 set of round. And you can see they're all a very good size. You could fill these with a lot of food, either for long-term storage or just for taking to work. You get little blackboard type marker and stickers. Once you've written on, you can wipe that off with a bit of water and just dry it off, and so these labels can be reused once they're stuck on. Just to demonstrate how good these are at keeping things contained, I've filled this with a little bit of water. When I put the lid on and tip this upside down, you'll see that nothing comes out. So this is perfect if you want to store something like a bolognese or sauce. Nothing's going to leak out. So